Good afternoon, folks. Tom with Cook with Jax. Today, baked beans. We're going to do them a little bit different. We're going to talk about the different ways you can do them. I start with about a half an onion. As you can see, we brown that down. We're adding a pound of sausage. It could be like a hot sausage, your favorite, if it's a special brand that you like. Let that brown down. It's going to add some flavor through pork fat. Going to give you a little bit of protein in there as well. Here's where it starts to get interesting, right? We start with classic baked beans. Big old can of that, but we are going to add some black beans, some navy beans. We're going to add some kidney beans. We're going to make this a little bit different. This is going to help enhance flavor. It's going to give a little bit more texture. It's going to give an additional flavor profile to the beans. Here, barbecue sauce on the top. One of the favorite things I like to do, soak it pretty good in there. I just like to pour it on the top and let that kind of penetrate down into the pan. Bacon is a must. Right, you gotta have bacon on there. Throw some thick sliced bacon on top of that. Add a little more protein. But what you can do here, folks, is smoker. Put this on a grill. You can continue cooking it here on the stovetop if you like. Or what we're gonna do here is we're gonna throw it in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. After we add our garlic jacks on there, that's going to have a little bit of bite to it because of the red pepper flake in it. But man, it's going to bring out that garlic and really smoke those beans up unbelievably in flavor. As you can see, we're browning it down a little bit here. We're allowing that to cook before we throw it in the oven. And again, a lot of different ways you can make baked beans. You can make these baked beans, right on the stovetop. I mean, you do not need a smoker. You don't need to be outside. But here's the end result. Look at the beautifulness of these. Unleash the flavor in every bite. Cookwithjax.com.